Hi guys, welcome back to the Droopify channel. I'm Emmanuel, and today we're going to see how to download and install the Chrome extension for Windows users. So if you have an Apple computer, i.e. a Mac, I recommend that you click the link in the description in order to see the dedicated video.
For users on Mac OS. Instead, if you have a Windows PC, let's proceed immediately with downloading the extension. So we go to Settings, Preferences, and Tools, and then click on Chrome Extensions. Install now on this button. I don't click it because I've already downloaded it. Then I click on the downloads. As you can see here now there is the zipped folder. That is a compressed file in which the entire extension is contained. We go and click on it once and it will be opened. We copy this Droopify X folder, then copy. Then close the compressed file and move to the desktop. Here we are going to paste the folder we just copied, which was the one contained inside the zip file. Once we have extracted the folder on the desktop, we will upload it into Chrome. Be careful, being that this installation is not traditional. Therefore, through the Chrome Web Store. In order for you to continue using the Chrome extension on your user, you need to never delete this folder here. Alright, now that we have the folder here, let's go back to Chrome. Okay, let's go to the three dots at the top right and proceed with the installation. Let's go to Extensions, this icon with the puzzle, and click Manage Extensions. We enable the developer mode at the top right, which allows us to upload Chrome extensions that are not on the web store. So let's enable here and click on Upload Unpackaged Extension. Perfect. Let's then go where we extracted the folder. In my case, it is on the desktop. Click on the folder and then select Folder. Perfect. Now within Chrome, we have our extension and we can go to click on this puzzle icon and then on this all to fix the Chrome extension so that we will always have the logo here at the top, and clicking on it will always open our extension that we can customize by turning on and off what interests us most. Perfect. Now I'll briefly explain how to do it when you need to update the Chrome extension. When you need to update the extension, opening it will result in a message saying that you need to update the extension. You will go back to the Tools Preferences page. Install the Chrome extension again, so that you will go again to download a file like this. Then we go to open it again. We always copy the same folder. We pick it in the same place where we had the previous one. So let's make paste. As you can see, it asks us, since we already have the same folder inside the desktop, if we want to keep both files or we want to replace the file. So we want to make sure that this folder is deleted and pasted. The updated one, so let's replace the files on the destination. Completed. It has successfully pasted the folder into the desktop. Now let's go back to the puzzle icon at the top right of Chrome. Manage Extensions. And let's click on this button. This button will cause it to reload the folder in here. You must paste the folder you downloaded in the same location as the previous folder, i.e., in the same one you uploaded here. If you want to see where you actually have the folder, click on Details, and going to the bottom, it says Origin, Loading From, and there is the path, i.e., the path from where the extension was actually loaded. Clicking on it will open the folder you uploaded, and by clicking on Desktop, going to the previous folder, we can see where the folder actually is. Perfect, the video is finished. I hope you were able to successfully install the extension. See you in the next video.